Anong main cause ng business failure? Ang main cause is yung pagmamadali na kumita. Diyan nagsisimula, no? Sa umpisa pa lang, kung nagmamadaling kumita, usually uutang sila para sa ganun ma-implement nila yung idea nila or mag-invite sila ng partners para implement yung idea nila. Pero unang-una, hindi hinog yung idea, hindi pa nasubukan, hindi pa na-prove yung concept or yung business model. Tiyak, walang mangyayari. Magkakaaway-away lang yung partners o hindi mababayaran yung utang. The other case is wherein, again, nagmamadaling kumita and therefore nag-succeed yung unang step, meaning yung unang business nag-succeed, kumita, and then gusto niyang i-multiply yung kita niya by expanding. And then he expands too fast without studying the market, without studying the location, without much study as he did in the past. And therefore, mali yung move niya. Without too much study, pwedeng nagkabulbul yung organization, hindi nag-working system kasi hindi siya adapted sa malaking business at kinapos ng cash flow. So, yan yung another reason kung bakit hindi siya magsasucceed, nag-fail. So, basically, the reason why business people make mistakes is because they are after the money. You know, a real businessman eventually does not run after money because he has already learned that what's important is the improvement that he has in running an organization, in managing, and in leading.